Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to place your first trade using the XM mobile app. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open the XM app on your Android or iPhone and sign in to your trading account. Now tap the plus button once you're logged in to make sure you're using your standard trading account. From the bottom menu, tap Markets. Next, stay on the Popular tab and use the search bar to search for BTCUSD. Tap on BTCUSD to open it. If you want, you can change the chart time frame. For example, switch it from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Once you're ready, tap Place Order. Now enter your take profit level if you'd like to automatically close the trade when it reaches your target. Then choose your lot size. For this example, I'll use 0.01 lots. You'll also see the quantity or tokens value update automatically based on your selected lot size. Finally, tap Buy if you think the price will go up, or tap Sell if you think the price will go down. Your trade will now be opened, and you can monitor it from the Positions tab. And that's it. That's how to place a trade on the XM mobile app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more trading tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.